Okay, so for the next part of the lesson, we're going to have a look at how we can add and subtract algebraic fractions and then use them to solve equations. So there's a question here for you to have a look at. Give it a try, see how far you can get, and then hit play when you're ready for me to go through it with you. Okay, so to start off with, when we want to add and subtract any algebraic fractions, again, we need to have a common denominator. So in this case, I've got 3 and 2, so the perfect common denominator would be to have 6 as my denominator on both. And we need to remember this time that it's equal to 8 as we go through it. Therefore, for the first fraction, I have multiplied everything through by 2. So therefore, that's going to be 2 lots of x plus 5. And remember, you'll pick up marks if you show that you're going to multiply that rather than going straight for expanding the brackets. And with the second fraction, to get to this one, we've multiplied it by 3. So I'm going to have 3 lots of x plus 1. Then we can write our numerators in one long line. So I've got 2 bracket x plus 5 plus 3 bracket x plus 1 all over 6 equals 8. Then I've got some brackets, so I'm going to expand them. That will give me 2x plus 10 added to 3x plus 3 all over 6 equal to 8. And then if I simplify, I've got 2x plus 3x giving me 5x, and I've got 10 add 3 giving me 13 over 6 and equals 8. And now I've got a nice simplified equation that I can solve as normal. So first of all, everything is being divided by 6. So to do the inverse of that, I would multiply through by 6. Remember, I've got 5x plus 13 divided by 6 times by 6, so the 6's will cancel out to just leave me 5x plus 13. And then my 8 times 6 gives me 48. I then want to get rid of the 13, so I'm going to do the inverse, subtract 13 from both sides. That will give me 5x equals 35. And again, the inverse now is to divide by 5 to get the x by itself, giving me x equals 7. Okay, and remember, because it's an equation, it is one that you can substitute in the solution and check it works. So we can do 7 add 5 is 12, divide by 3 gives me 4, 7 add 1 is 8, divide by 2 gives me 4, 4 add 4 does in fact equal 8. Okay, so there's some extension questions for you to have a go at, and then let me know how you get on.